Claims on Demand is the ultimate point-of-care patient education solution. It is a print-on-demand patient education application that will save time while enhancing the quality of care you provide. As a web-based solution, Claims on Demand lets you easily and affordably standardize education across your entire health network. All your caregivers can access its intuitive, user-friendly interface from any web-ready workstation to quickly search or browse topics, personalize and print handouts, select from multiple languages, manage content, help document education encounters, customize, create, or edit patient education. You can even document patient education in your EMR and prescribe content to patients via email, then track their progress. And with the powerful enhancements in Claims on Demand version 6, caregivers are now able to do all of this faster and more effectively than ever before. Version 6 brings you the same quality content and simple functionality Claims on Demand users know and love, with added benefits such as Google search functionality, single sign-on capability, secure email, and the ability to export content to your health information systems. For more than a decade, caregivers across the country have been using Claims on Demand to help improve patient outcomes, reduce readmissions, increase patient satisfaction, overcome challenges set by low health literacy, and save time and money. Our clients also use it to support requirements for meaningful use and to comply with CMS and Joint Commission guidelines. The award-winning high-quality content in Claims on Demand will help your staff overcome communication barriers and more effectively address health literacy concerns. As a result, you can enhance quality care, improve outcomes, and ultimately improve patient satisfaction scores. Claims on Demand is easy to use and quickly accessible, saving valuable time for your nurses and caregivers. Plus, as you move to an electronic environment, Claims on Demand can support your efforts. It's compatible with your IT systems and designed to meet meaningful use requirements. Let's take a look at what you get with Claims on Demand. Claims on Demand gives you fast access to thousands of topics in multiple languages to address all your patient education needs. The program currently contains over 3,300 health sheets, single-page patient education handouts that explain anatomy, conditions, procedures, disease management, wellness, preventative care, and more across 40 specialty areas. In addition, the program contains more than 2,000 drug information sheets, which provide vital knowledge on prescription, over-the-counter, and nutritional products. And all of this content is included in English and Spanish. In addition, hundreds of health sheets are also included in Portuguese, Arabic, Chinese, Russian, and Vietnamese. And 10 key topics are available in Armenian, Farsi, Hmong, Korean, and Tagalog. In addition to all this content, Claims on Demand offers a package of over 1,500 emergency discharge instructions from our Claims Exit Writer program to meet the discharge and education needs of your busy ER. What sets Claims Stay Well apart from any other patient education provider is quality content. Our strict adherence to health literacy design principles helps maximize accessibility and comprehension of information. That's why over 85% of U.S. hospitals use some form of Claims Stay Well content. All Claims Stay Well patient education content is developed in accordance with health literacy design principles by our team of medical writers and illustrators, and each topic is peer-reviewed by a team of external healthcare professionals, including physicians, nurses, and other caregivers across the continuum, to ensure not only currency and medical accuracy, but that the content truly reflects the patient experience. Health sheets are written at a 5th to 6th grade reading level on average, using plain language most patients can read and understand. And Claims Stay Well's award-winning artwork helps patients visualize medical concepts without overwhelming them. In addition to the effective content, Claims on Demand gives you instant access to the topics you need with intuitive functionality that lets you and your staff select from thousands of topics in seconds. Our user-friendly interface requires little or no training, so it's easy to implement into your workflow. And with Claims on Demand version 6, users can benefit from our powerful search engine, which now incorporates Google Search application. Users can search for patient education by keyword faster and more effectively than ever before. In fact, our Google-powered search functionality ensures that you'll find comprehensive, accurate results much faster than you could with any other patient education solution. Claims on Demand allows you to improve quality of care and increase patient satisfaction by personalizing each health sheet with patient name and special instructions. And handouts include your organization's logo to build brand recognition at the point of care. print handouts as you find them, or add them to a list for batch printing of multiple topics. And beyond simply personalizing handouts, Crames On Demand allows you to easily edit or create content to meet your unique needs. With the Crames On Demand editing tool, you can customize content to reflect different patient populations, ensure consistency with your protocols and education materials, comply with state and local health regulations, and more. This intuitive resource works like a basic desktop publishing program. It is incredibly easy to use. With little or no training, you can edit existing content or write and design your own patient education. You can even access over 6,000 images from a database of our award-winning artwork. Patient education is a factor that can affect your initiatives to meet meaningful use requirements, and Crames Staywell recognizes this. Crames On Demand has been officially certified as an EHR module, supporting the Stage 1 meaningful use measures required to qualify eligible providers and hospitals for funding under the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act. Crames On Demand meets the criteria for providing an electronic copy of discharge instructions and patient-specific education resources for inpatient and ambulatory settings. Crames On Demand can help support your system's investment by merging your patient education and discharge instructions with your EMR of choice. It's easy thanks to our HL7 interfacing solution, which has been used with many major EMR providers, including Meditech. When you interface Crames On Demand with your EMR, you can also document education encounters in the patient record. Our easy-to-use documentation module allows you to produce accurate electronic documentation of the patient education encounter, including patient name, ID number, education provided, caregiver ID, date, and time. Crames On Demand version 6 also offers new solutions for those that wish to fully incorporate health sheets into their EMR workflow. Crames On Demand customers can now use our optional content export module to integrate health sheets into their health information systems. Your users can now export all Crames On Demand content, including your own custom content, from Crames On Demand for uploading into your EMR, intranet, or website. All of our health sheets can be easily exported in XML and HTML formats and tagged to CPT, ICD-9, MESH, and other standard taxonomies. Crames Staywell has helped interface Crames On Demand or integrate patient education with many leading EMRs, including Cerner, Epic, Meditech, Siemens, McKesson, GE Centricity, and many more. Also new with Crames On Demand version 6, users can extend care into the home and help support meaningful use with our secure email functionality, supported by Microsoft Health Vault. Crames On Demand users can better engage patients in their care by sending patient education to be stored in the patient's personal Health Vault account and notifying patients via secure email. Patients can now have easy access to a repository of information created specifically for them and in consideration of health literacy design principles to better manage their health. This unique new feature allows you to extend care into the home to help improve outcomes, reinforce instructions, prepare patients for surgery, and generally enhance the patient experience. And the module is fully HIPAA compliant. Crames On Demand is the ultimate solution for bringing patient education to your entire enterprise. And now, with version 6, you can even incorporate single sign-on capability to ensure full compatibility with your staff's workflow. No other patient education solution offers the same level of content along with intuitive functionality for engaging and educating patients across your enterprise quickly and effectively. Crames On Demand is the only solution for truly strengthening communication at every touchpoint across the continuum of care. Discover Crames On Demand today and see how one simple solution can help you improve outcomes, build patient relationships, increase patient satisfaction, save time and money, comply with accreditation standards, and add value to your information systems investments. Contact your Crames Staywell representative today or visit our website to request a free trial of Crames On Demand version 6 and see for yourself why Crames On Demand is the only complete solution for enterprise-wide patient education.